Back again, viewers. It's Andy's Vlogs and Food Reviews here again, and we're still in Dudley, and this is the second video that I said I was going to do. We're situated in Flood Street, and I'm just going to show you all the current work going on in Flood Street regarding the metro. I've been dying to get down here and do these vlogs for a while, and just haven't had the chance to get around to doing it. So we're going to take a little walk up and have a look, if I can get my words out properly, and show you what's going on, all the work. Hope everybody's keeping well and enjoying their day, keeping nice and safe. So yeah, this all viewers, as you can see, the metro lines are coming on pretty well. And what do you think of the metro being in Dudley? You know, will you use it? Do you think it's better? What's your view on it? I mean, the metro in Wolverhampton, I think's come on pretty well. I know they've had some problems with it, with trams breaking down and things like that. But yeah, it's coming on really good. Like I say, it all comes through here in Flood Street. By the way, viewers, this here, is it this one here or the one next door? One of these used to be an adult shop. Oh dear, look at that, viewers. It's appalling, isn't it? You can't get your hat off with it. You just think, why don't you go down the tip and get rid of it instead of just dumping it for somebody else to remove? That's just me, viewers, that's just my view. But something I don't do. I can happily say that if I got any rubbish, I'd always discard it myself. Don't leave it for somebody else to throw away. Anyway, back to this. Yeah, this is all the lines. Obviously the road used to come throughout here. Used to go all through here, and it literally come all down here and through there before, but now, as you can see, the road all goes round. It's changed a lot since they've started doing all the metro lines. Yeah, literally, for those of you who don't know, it used to come literally along here this way, and then it used to come back through this way as well. But now obviously the road goes round and you have to go down Flood Street, and to get up to there where that van was just going, just I don't know if you could see it on the camera, you have to turn, where that car's coming now, you have to turn up there and go that way if you want to make your way into town. Yeah, definitely coming on well, isn't it, viewers? Definitely coming on good. Now I'm trying to find out what the situation is with this, because I'll be honest, viewers, I'm going to admit it, I just haven't had a chance to read up much about it, how far it's going to run. I have heard it's going to interchange with Wolverhampton, but don't take that as gospel, because I've only heard that through word of mouth. But it's going to be definitely interesting. I mean, I have said before that people have asked me about parking in Dudley, and I'll be honest, it is an absolute nightmare, I think, to park in Dudley. And you have to watch, because so many places you're restricted to how long you can park. And the ticket wardens are quite quite hot when it comes to checking the times. They're always wandering about looking. That shop there, viewers, the pet pantry, by the way, that used to be Ayaux's school clothing shop. So yeah, let us know in the comments below, viewers, what you think of this. What do you make of this with the metro? Let's make our way around here. That there, viewers, is called Birdcage Walk. The pub over there has been gone years. That one, I actually went in there once, that pub. Been gone quite a long time ago now though. This is Dudley bus station. You can see, look, there, top Dudley Castle. You get a nice view of Dudley Castle from here. Yeah, if you want any buses to all other routes, viewers, in Dudley, here it is. All different letters, obviously. Just go to your different points and it tells you where, which bus you need for those of you who travel by bus. Let's have a take a walk down here. If I go this way, at least I'm heading closer back to the car. Come to my Southeast place here, and there was, I don't know whether you watched the video. I did a video at night walk along here. That Southeast place did have a bit of a problem the once where, fortunately, an incident where a bus went into that, unfortunately. And, yeah, it was a shame, that was. So I'm glad they're up and running and back to work again, and everybody's okay. Right, I'm going to show you the next part of the metro down here. It goes all down the middle of this road. There's the metro. Castle Hill, you can see. It goes all down here past Jenkin's Casino. Of course, we was there earlier, wasn't we? This is the metro line, viewers, where it comes from, out of Dudley bus station. You can see the back there, look. It comes all through here, down the middle. It goes all the way down and then round. Now look at my shadow on the floor there, viewers. Yeah. You can see it goes all the way down and round. Right then, so what do you think? What do you make of it? What do you think of all this then? Do you think it's money well spent? Do you think it's going to make Dudley better? Or are you against it and think perhaps things could have been done differently? I'll let you make your own mind up on that. Like I say, we're all entitled to our opinion on it. Right then viewers, I'm going to end this vlog right now. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks to everybody who subscribed to the channel of late. I really do appreciate it. And thanks to all the lovely comments. I'll see you on the next one, and it's bye for now.